Before we start, please check the first link in the description. And also, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks. We all know the importance of maintaining a healthy weight, and therefore, we all try to lose some weight. But sometimes, this aim isn't that easy to achieve. Even though you've cut out unhealthy food from your diet and started to exercise, that excess pounds may not go away. One of the major reasons might be your digestive system. Digestion issues and weight gain. Digestion issues, such as slow bowel movements, indigestion, constipation, etc. are one of the major culprits for weight gain because they allow fat and toxins to accumulate in the body. Bowel movements should ideally occur 1-2 hours after a meal, or even once or twice a day. The reason for slow bowel movements can be some medications, dehydration, lack of fiber, and good flora deficiency in the gut. Furthermore, constipation is a condition when the body has difficulties in emptying the bowels, and also, hardened feces. This disorder may be a result of low fiber, some medications, irritable bowel syndrome, excessive use of laxatives, put off going to the toilet, dehydration, and colon issues. Last but not least, indigestion, also called dyspepsia, is a condition when people experience pain and discomfort in the stomach due to difficulties in digesting food. It can be caused by side effects of certain medicines, acid reflux disease, peptic ulcers, pancreatic or bile duct abnormalities, and others. Therefore, keeping your gastrointestinal system in good health may be a significant contribution to weight loss. Because of that, we are going to present you with a recipe for the best vitamin salad, which is a natural remedy that treats such issues. The salad which we are going to present you will clean the fecal fat in the bowels, flush out toxins from the body, as well as provide more than enough fiber and balance the pH level in the body. You should eat this salad for dinner 3 days in a row, and you will also be surprised by the results it provides. Vitamin salad. Ingredients: cabbage, beet, carrot, lemon juice, vegetable oil. Seasonings optional. Instructions. The method of preparation is very simple. All you need to do is grate 3 parts of cabbage, 1 part of beet, and 1 part of carrots. Then, add some seasoning herbs if you prefer so. Next, mix the ingredients well and add a little bit of lemon juice. In the end, sprinkle with some vegetable oil, ideally olive oil. This salad will provide you plenty of minerals and vitamins, as well as other nutrients, such as fiber and pectin. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks.